Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching architecture. Pick the 32-bit or 64-bit X360C that mirrors the game EXE because mismatches won't work. Once done, place the X360C file in the game folder and run it as administrator so drivers and INI can be written. Make sure Microsoft Visual C++ runtimes are installed, since X360C relies on them. If prompted to install drivers, accept this registers the virtual X input device the emulator uses to speak to games. Next, let X360C auto-detect your controller to create initial mappings, then save so the game reads X360C. INI and the matching DLL. If buttons or axes are wrong, manually assign buttons and calibrate axes in the mapping panel. This is where you fix inverted sticks or combine triggers. Test inputs in the Test tab, exercise each button and axis, and tune dead zone and sensitivity to eliminate drift. Make sure vibration works. It confirms the virtual device is active. To finish, close X360C after saving, and ensure the Zinput DLL is present in the game folder so the game loads the emulator at launch. Launch the game and verify inputs. If the game still ignores it, try alternate DLL names like Zinput13. DLL or Zinput 910. DLL because some titles look for specific versions. If the controller isn't detected, rerun X360C as administrator and reinstall the virtual driver. One key troubleshooting tip: if inputs jitter, increase dead zone slightly and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.